One of the greatest times as a photographer is when you get to actually get your prints put on something large scale, and then you get to receive it and open it up. So I had this print done at Artbeat Studios. I'm super excited about it. It just came in, and let's unbox it together and see what it looks like. All right, let's take a look inside, see what it looks like. Wow, you guys, this is super, super robust packaging. If you can see in here in the video, this is very well supported all the way throughout. And obviously they put a nice protective layer and you can kind of see the print through it. So I'm getting pretty excited. I can't wait to open this up and see what it looks like. Guys, this is the final print. It's an acrylic print. It's 30 inches by 82 inches. It's absolutely massive. It is so gorgeous. They did such an amazing job at Artbeat Studios. Look at the caliber of the print, the quality of it. It's very thick acrylic. As you can see on the back here, they frame it very nice for being able to hang it. It comes with two of these. The other one is laying off to the side. But as you can see, it's really well put together, so it's going to be super nice on the wall. This is a very special print because this was taken at Butler University down in Indiana, which is obviously the home of the Bulldogs. And as you can see by my little babies here, we love Bulldogs. So it was a special print. My wife wanted something where we were looking up at the sky like you're laying out in a summer day. And we got it accomplished, and here we are. This is the final image.